I am the Budget Bell. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Econ Express, where we explore the world of personal finance, investing, budgeting, and wealth building strategies. Today, we delve into a topic that can truly transform your life: budgeting. Whether you are striving to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or achieve long-term financial stability, budgeting is the key that unlocks the door to financial freedom. In this video, we'll uncover the importance of budgeting and how it can positively impact every aspect of your financial well-being. So, let's dive in and discover why budgeting is an essential tool for your financial success. Budgeting is essential in a person's life, as it provides the foundation for financial stability and success. By creating a budget, individuals gain control over their money, understand their spending habits, and make informed decisions about saving and investing. It helps prioritize financial goals, manage debt effectively, and build an emergency fund for unforeseen circumstances. Budgeting promotes discipline in spending, fosters good financial habits, and empowers individuals to achieve their aspirations. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or enjoying a comfortable retirement, ultimately, budgeting is the key to financial freedom and a roadmap to a brighter future. Here are the 7 reasons why budgeting is essential for achieving financial success. Control and awareness. Budgeting gives you control over your money and allows you to make conscious decisions about how you spend and save. It provides a clear picture of your income, expenses, and financial habits, helping you become more aware of your financial choices. Goal setting and achievement. A budget enables you to set and track your financial goals. Whether you're aiming to pay off debt, save for a down payment, or retire comfortably, budgeting helps you allocate resources towards these goals and measure your progress along the way. Spending discipline. Budgeting instills discipline in your spending habits. It helps you distinguish between needs and wants, prioritize essential expenses, and curb impulsive or unnecessary purchases. With a budget, you're better equipped to resist temptations and stay focused on your financial objectives. Debt management. Budgeting plays a crucial role in managing and reducing debt. By allocating specific amounts towards debt repayment, you can accelerate the process and ultimately become debt-free sooner. Budgeting also helps you avoid accumulating additional debt by keeping your spending in check. Emergency preparedness. Life is full of unexpected events, and having an emergency fund is vital. Budgeting ensures that you set aside funds for emergencies, creating a financial safety net that protects you from unforeseen expenses and provides peace of mind. Financial decision-making. Budgeting equips you with the information needed to make sound financial decisions. Whether it's evaluating investment opportunities, comparing insurance policies, or deciding on major purchases, having a budget helps you make informed choices aligned with your long-term financial goals. Building wealth and savings. Budgeting facilitates the growth of your wealth and savings. By allocating a portion of your income towards savings and investments, you can build wealth over time, take advantage of compounding interest, and create financial security for yourself and your loved ones. We hope you found this video on budgeting valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay updated with our future videos on personal finance, investing, budgeting, and wealth building strategies, we encourage you to hit the subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll become a part of our community of like-minded individuals dedicated to achieving financial success. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Your support motivates us to continue creating high-quality content and sharing our knowledge with you. We've included links in the video description below to access the most popular and top budget apps, and that you can use to kickstart your financial journey. These apps are designed to simplify the budgeting process and help you stay organized on your path to financial success. Simply click the links in the description to download these resources and start creating your personalized budget today. Thank you for watching. I am the Budget Bell. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, together we can master our finances and build a prosperous future. Subscribe and like now to join the journey.